guys, my name is Priyanka, and on today's episode of Ketchup Talks with us, we have the fun and entertaining Malika Dua. Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Very well.
So let me just begin by, asking you how the unlock period or the whole lockdown has treated you.
I think I've worked a lot during this period, which like as in I've shot a lot. So for me, Unlock began around September when I took my first flight after like 6 months. And for me, it's a big deal because I have to fly a lot, like back and forth, Delhi, Bombay, इधर उधर. तो फिर काफी शूट किया मैंने 3 शोज शूट किए हैं यू नो एक तो घर से किया एंड देन टू in Bombay. So it was quite cool, and it was weird to be back in Bombay and not have a place of your own, because सबकी lease expire हो गई है, the usual, and सबने सामान storage में रख दिया. तो वही हो रहा था, and other than that, it's been a very busy year for me, so I'm not complaining. I'm just grateful. Yeah.
Okay, so Indu Ki Jawani is coming out soon. So tell me a little bit about how excited you are and what's going on in your head right now. I mean, besides the 20 interviews you're doing since.
It's a fabulous film. Like when I got the narration for it the first time, I was so kicked because here was a film about a woman produced by two fabulous women, and वो दिख जाता है ना, like even the women characters in the film were not just written for fun,
Yeah, correct.
like
Not an
everyone
accessory.
feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so even like my character wasn't your typical, like generally the calls I get are like हीरोइन की चबी सहेली आपको प्ले करना है. I'm like hello, मतलब उसकी कोई qualities भी हैं कि नहीं. तो वो नहीं था. Like the chubbiness was incidental. It wasn't written in the character or whatever. Sonal, the character that I play, is Indu's best friend, and she's a gyan ki dukan, and she's always telling Indu what she must do with her life. As if Sonal ने सब, मतलब Sonal is sorted. उसको सब पता है कि क्या करना है. बहन, ज्ञान देती रहती है उसको पूरे टाइम. So I love that. I'm like, wow, love it. ज्ञान की दुकान. So yeah, but the film is about Indu. Indu is and मतलब ट्रेलर में आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा पता चल जाएगा that it's how her dating adventures kind of contribute to the larger plot of the film and things like that. And I don't want to reveal too much because it's such a fun film. And it's one of those films which has everything. It has your comedy, it has love, romance, action, just everything. It's a very like must film. Everyone should watch it.
Okay, and like you're saying that women are not just written for the heck of it in this film. How do you think in the last few years, or maybe with the advent of OTT platforms, do you think that has changed? That has helped change this? The OTT platforms that have come up and the kind of stories that Indian audiences also consume. Do you think that has helped this change?
Hugely, yeah, massively, na, because OTTs are not controlled by like 4 or 5 superstars and their favorite producers. So you can tell the stories you want. You can, like, now you can tell the story you want with a phone if you need. So
True.
many creators have been empowered via that medium. And they're understanding that I think the biggest change that's happened is that if you're writing a story about women, it's no longer just men writing it, because it's so ridiculous. Like, how can you do that? How can you effectively and authentically portray that without actually having any genuine woman perspective?
Hmm.
you know so that has changed hugely. I mean, I got to do an all woman show in my first year. When I moved to Bombay, we did the trip, which was fab because it was like full female bonding, and I find myself in these
Yeah.
roles very often, and I love them. Like even Indu and Sonal, we see a lot of like brotherhood in films. Don't see so much sisterhood.
Hmm.
This is that. It's quite cool.
Okay. And tell me how it was the whole shooting experience with the crew. You've had more scenes with Kiara, I'm guessing. So how was
Yeah,
that?
yeah. So all my scenes, I think, are with Kiara, pretty much all of them. It was a short schedule, like the whole film.
Hmm.
So like Aditya and I also got to chill, even though we didn't get to shoot together.
Shoot together. Okay.
So it was fantastic. Yeah, so chill. The director Abir is so nice.
Hmm.
The way he's written it, the way he knows what he wants. He's not an aggressive director. He's the most sweetest, polite guy. And the production MA T series, we've taken such good care of, in every aspect, like not just logistically, but also creatively, no complaints at all. And the experience was so good. It didn't feel like I'd never worked with Kiara before or anything. Like we were so comfortable, as friends on screen.
Hmm.
I had a great time. It was fab. We shot in Lucknow. It was
Yeah.
amazing because I love Lucknow. इतना
Yeah.
मजा आया हमें.
Okay. और ऐसा कुछ है that you could connect with your character a lot or like a little bit?
I think the need to give ज्ञान. I'm like that with my friends also. मैं उनको ज्ञान बांटती रहती हूँ ना हमेशा. But I'm not as confident as Sonal.
Hmm.
Um, but yeah, that I aspire to be that level of confident that Sonal is. कि
Yeah.
भाई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता types. But yeah, I think that's where I relate to her कि उसको ज्ञान बांटना बड़ा पसंद है.
Okay. And moving a little away from the film, you've been putting out great content on your social platforms also throughout the lockdown. I mean, before that also, and it's been so entertaining for your fans. So, but as we all know that it's not been easy for any of us. I saw your comment on Kusha's post, and that was so warm. And you didn't have to do it, but you did. So, how do you think this positivity that people have for each other on social media has helped people through this and helped creators create more content?
See, it's like you can offer positivity and love and advice and perspective if you've been through it, right?
Correct.
So I have gone through what she's currently going through. And it only proves that you're human. Now you're not limitless. You're not a
True.
perpetual clown dancing to the tunes of like social media numbers and insights and things like that. So I mean, everyone goes through it, yeah. It only means that you're a thinking, breathing, living being. You're not a machine.
Agreed.
So, and we all shot together, like last month,
Hmm.
and it was so lovely. एक तो इतने दिनों बाद निकलने को मिला, interact करने को मिला, and I had a lovely time. So it came from a place, it came from that kind of place, and I have that equation with most women in the community. Like we all always look out for each other. It works both ways. We always do. Yeah.
That really is amazing. Okay. And do you take like social media detox? A lot of people say that they just shut down any like usage of social media or Instagram especially. Do you do that too?
I don't have the option, I think every day I'm like आज मैं अपना फोन पूरे दिन बंद करूंगी. But वो नहीं होता because आप फोन किसी ना किसी वजह से खोलते हो.
Correct.
And then you get sucked into this, black hole. uh, but I would love to, like, we taken a family holiday last year to Kunur and वहाँ ना signal नहीं था.
Best.
भाई इतना मजा आया मुझे. I was like, wow. And my sister's like, you're so happy, chirpy, cute. I'm like, yeah, girl. So, yeah, but God knows we really need to switch the hell off. Everybody does.
I have a fun section. So it's like, what if my best friend said? So I'll give you situations and what gyan would you give? Okay. Okay. So your best friend calls you at 12 in the night and says she's stuck with a bad date. What do you do?
I'll go. Oh, if I'm in Bombay, I'll go pick her up. If I'm in
Okay.
Delhi, I can't do. I mean, she wouldn't be actually in Delhi. 12 बजे तो हो ही नहीं
Okay.
सकता. Delhi का जो safety standards हैं, I'd probably go pick her up.
Okay. She says that, she's tired of everything and she's taking a solo trip for the next 2 months.
I'd say
What would
go
you
enjoy, bro. Call me if you need anything.
Okay. She tells you that she's getting married but hasn't told you about the guy before this point. What would you do?
Like, bitch, tell me what the hell.
Okay. And what if some guy is hitting on your friend and y'all are together, someone's hitting on her, you're with her, what would you tell her or do in that situation?
Sorry, 1 second. हाँ जी, आ जाइए. I would, if she's okay being hit on, then I wouldn't say anything. It's none of my business.
No, if she doesn't want it, she asks for your help.
Or if she's uncomfortable when
Yeah.
someone's hitting on her, I would be quite rude to the person. I think I have a lovely way of giving the cold shoulder, and I'd do that, and I'd kind of whisk her away from there.
Okay.
I've done it. I think we've all done this for our girlfriends, है ना? कोई ना कोई गंदा चेप इंसान तो होता ही है आसपास.
True, sadly.
Yeah.
With it. Okay, and your best friend picks a outfit for a date that you hate. Would you tell her?
It depends, yeah. Maybe, yeah. I would. I'm like, yeah, no, this is not a date outfit. No, 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 I don't like it. Yeah, I
Okay.
would.
And if your best friend is confused, like Kiara's character is in the movie, between like two, three boys, what suggestion would you give her? Follow her head and be practical, or follow her heart, or something?
I'd say not commit to either and explore
Okay.
um to a certain extent that is emotionally safe for everybody involved.
Hmm.
बट हाँ मैं अपने ओपिनियंस तो देती हूँ क्योंकि जज करना तो मेरा फेवरेट पैशन एनीवे है तो मैं बोल रही ये अच्छा नहीं है ये बकवास है ये ठीक है whatever.
Okay. And what if your friend tells you, they want to experiment with their sexual orientation? How would you, help them out there?
I mean, I'd say whatever you need, man. Like you can love whoever you want. That's your business.
Good. Okay. Okay, cool. That was it. And before I, let you go, I just want to ask you, because we're talking so much about OTT, and life is revolving around streaming platforms these days. What are the top shows or movies that you are watching, or you think that our viewers should definitely watch?
I think people should watch the new season of The Crown, even though it's really slow. मतलब मैंने 4 पैकेट चिप्स के खा लिए यार सच्ची मैंने चिप्स के अंकल चिप्स 4 पैकेट खाए 1 घंटे का एपिसोड खत्म करने के लिए और मेरी स्किन oh god. Okay, so that then apparently The Undoing is fabulous, which I'm gonna start today. And what else? Watch my friend Prajakta's show Mismatch.
Yeah,
It's really cute.
it is.
Yeah. बस यही सब. It took me back to like a more innocent time that I don't have anymore. Yeah. Hi, social catchers. Please watch our lovely film Indu Ki Jawani, which is in theaters from the 11th of December. You're gonna really have fun. It's super funny. It's about female bonding. It's about male and female bonding. It's about love, romance, not judging people by appearances, action, dhamaka, dhamal. Wow, it's beautiful.
Thank you so much for that, Malika. Thank you for this interview. And I'm wishing you all the best for the movie. And we can't wait to see lots more of you this year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.